Now here is the more difficult sum, which is question number 3, the 10th bit. Find the angle which is 36 more than 4/5 of its supplement. Now let me explain the problem. One part is x, and the other part is obviously the whole angle being 180 degrees. Therefore this part will be 180 minus x, and as the question goes, this x, this angle is 36 more than, which is, I mean to say, x is equal to 36 more than, that is, it is added to this, and it is more than 4/5 of its supplement, which is again 4/5 of this part. So I have to declare the problem portion, and I have to set up the equation saying that it is 36 more than 4/5 of the remaining angle part component, the supplement. I move this to the top, and then I can write this in this way. And now since this is the denominator being 1, I take an LCM of these two things, nothing but distributive property, and I have got this. And after LCM, this 5 goes this way, and this becomes 5x, which is, and simple addition gives me 900 from this, and minus goes this way, it will be plus, and it will be 9x. Once this moves here, it is 5x plus 4x, and now my x is nothing but 100. So the answer is 100 degrees. Now the ray divides the complementary angles into two parts, and one of it is 4x plus 4, the other one is 6x plus 4, and their sum will obviously be 90 degrees. As we know that complementary angles, the trick goes as CA, and complementary angles give us 90 degrees. So the linear equation setup goes like this, and 10x plus 8 gives me 90. Sorry, this is not plus, this is minus. So the entire sum goes like this. This will be gone, and I am left with x, and I am left with 90 by 10, which is nothing but 9 degrees. My x value comes to 9.